Now we are grounding the entire passenger fleet of Allison Shipping Lines. And I'm asking Marina to conduct a maritime safety audit together with Philippine Coast Guard, kasama na inspection, hindi lang po ng kanilang barko, kasama na rin po ng kanilang mga crew. Ulitin ko po, as of now, pagkatapos po nito, the entire passenger fleet of Allison Shipping Company, they are now grounded. And Marina and Philippine Coast Guard, they have 10 days to conduct a maritime safety audit and risk compliance and also inspection. At ang magiging tugon po namin dito will be based on the safety audit po ng Coast Guard at ng Marina. Kung papayagan pa namin itong mga barko ng Allison.
Kaugnay